Allow yourself to get in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Listen to my voice and focus in on what I am saying. One of the best ways to relax is to take a few moments and concentrate on your breathing. Get in tune with your entire breathing process. Think about it, sense it, feel it, experience it. Sense and feel air coming into the body as you inhale. Sense and feel some air leaving the body as you exhale. Begin to feel some relaxation, particularly in the chest muscles, each time you exhale. Notice the air and the rhythm that is produced each time you inhale and exhale. A very comfortable, relaxing rhythm. As you continue to slowly inhale and exhale, you will find you are able to relax more thoroughly, more completely, more comfortably. And as I continue to talk with you and guide you through this self-esteem exercise, your breathing will assist you in relaxing even more deeply, even more completely. Now, as you relax, allow yourself to notice the negative labels that you use to describe yourself. Sometimes these labels may be so automatic that you don't even pay attention to them. But allow yourself to notice them now. Recognize the criticism, the self-blame, the hurtful statements you use about yourself in your self-talk. You may even notice that you say some of these things to others. How often do you apologize when you haven't really done anything wrong? How often do you call yourself names? How often do you not accept compliments from others and put yourself down instead? How often do you make fun of yourself to others? Now allow yourself to recognize that you aren't deserving of these negative labels, or the criticism, or the self-blame. You are a good and loving person who is struggling to improve and to be happy. You deserve to be happy. Allow yourself to feel that you are a good person. You are fine. You are fine the way you are. And you always try to do the best you can. Look at yourself with compassion. Allow yourself to feel love and acceptance towards yourself. Recognize that many of these negative feelings you have about yourself are not genuine, but that you learn them from your life experiences. You aren't deserving to feel so bad about yourself, and you want to change those feelings. To help you change those feelings about yourself, imagine that you are standing in front of a blackboard or a marker board. Imagine writing some of those negative labels or negative self-statements on that board. Look at what you have written and tell yourself, I don't deserve to feel so bad about myself. I am a good person, striving to do the best I can. Now notice that you have an eraser in your hand. You have an eraser, and you can erase those labels from the board. You erase each one, and they are gone. They are without meaning for you now. Let go of those negative labels. They are not who you really are. They are meaningless and hurtful to you, and you choose to let them go. Now see yourself writing something on the board. You write your affirmation for the day. You see yourself writing a positive statement about yourself. You see the words forming as you write the affirmation on the board. And you understand the meaning of your affirmation. You see your affirmation on the board, and now you add 3 of your important strengths that make you feel good. You let yourself fully feel these strengths and feel good about yourself. Let yourself feel good. You write 3 of your strengths, and you feel like writing them. If you have trouble thinking of strengths, think about how you are willing to take responsibility for your life, as you are doing now. That is a strength. Think about how you have a desire for self-improvement. That is another strength. Think about how you are willing to face uncomfortable emotions to become a better person. I don't even know you, and yet I know that you have these strengths because you are listening to this. As you continue to listen to this, you also will become more in touch with your strengths and less focused on self-criticism. Allow yourself to fully appreciate these strengths because they describe you. You see them on the board and you appreciate them. More and more, you are feeling strong and good. Allow yourself to let go of your internal critic. You really don't need that critic, and now you can allow yourself to let go of the critic. You can let go of any need for this critic. The critic costs you too much in your life. It makes you feel bad. It prevents you from fully enjoying and accepting yourself. Allow yourself to reject the critic. The critic has cost you too much, and you can see what it has cost you. You remember all of the many things it has prevented in your life, or how bad it has made you feel. And you become more and more aware that you no longer need your critic. You can forget this critic. And because the critic is becoming more and more silent, you are letting go of your unhealthy shoulds and demands. You're letting go of rules that no longer fit you. You are letting go of rules that hurt you. You feel good because you no longer need the rules that hurt you. You can let go of the shoulds and demands and rules that hurt. You can still think about the consequences of your actions and try to understand the consequences of your actions and improve yourself, but you're letting go of the rules that hurt you. And more, you can be kind to yourself. You are a good person. You are worthwhile because you feel and live. You are unique and valuable. You are a unique and valuable person because you live and feel. Allow yourself to feel warm and loving towards yourself. You love yourself because you are a good person. You have legitimate needs and wants. You accept your feelings. You accept your feelings because they are a part of you and you are a good person. A good person. You feel kind and loving towards yourself. Other people can see you as a good person, a worthwhile person. Those who fail to see your worth have something in their way that prevents them from seeing the good person you are. When people really see you, They see you as a good person. And you know now that you are free to make mistakes. It is fine to make mistakes. You do the best you can. You always do the best you can within the limits of your awareness, within the limits of what you know at any given time. You strive to do the best you can. You can love yourself, mistakes and all. You learn from your mistakes and are free to make them. You can allow yourself to fully accept yourself. You feel positive feelings flowing throughout your entire body. Today, you like yourself more than yesterday. And tomorrow, you will like yourself more than today. And tomorrow, you will believe more the positive about yourself. You will remember more and more the positive about yourself, and these positive feelings will stay with you and grow stronger and stronger. The positive feelings will grow stronger tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. You can focus on saying kind and loving things to yourself rather than listening to the critic. You can feel the acceptance of yourself growing each day. You feel relaxed, very peaceful. And in a few moments, you'll come back to full conscious awareness, feeling stronger and more positive, feeling confident and strong, feeling more accepting of yourself. You will come all the way up feeling alert, refreshed, and wide awake, feeling relaxed and renewed when you come all the way up to full awareness. Whenever you're ready, you may open your eyes and come back to full awareness, feeling refreshed and ready to go about your day.